Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix IKEA app keeps crashing. So watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on the IKEA app, then tap on app info, then here tap on storage usage option and clear cache as well as clear data option, and then tap on OK. This will clear cache and data. Now the next step is tap on Google Play Store in your Android or App Store in your iPhone, and then here tap on search option and then tap on search apps and games here and search for IKEA and then tap on OK. Now here you will see update button. Tap on update. This will update the app if it available. So this will fix the issue. So hope you will like this video.